In this short video I'm going to discuss offset sections. Here we have just a wall mounted bracket that may be used to hold a flagpole or a flag stick. So the stick of the flag will be held here while the bracket is mounted to the wall with bolts at these two holes. An offset section is used when features of an object do not lie in a straight line. When we look in at this bracket in plan, we can see that the housing here for the flag stick and the holes for the bolts, they're not in a straight line. So we can say that a straight cutting plane, it just won't be enough. It won't be able to show all the necessary features. So the cutting plane needs to be bent, or it needs to be offset at right angles. So here in this example, we can see when it is subject to the cut, our cutting plane starts from the left hand side. It cuts through the large housing for the flag stick itself. It is then offset at a right angle, and then it is offset once more until it cuts through the entire piece. So we can say that it has exposed all the features of this piece, even though they're not in a straight line. So we can see the surfaces that have been exposed. And that wouldn't have been possible if we were just to have used a normal or a straight cutting plane. When we look at our bracket in our drawing, we can see clearly our offset section line BB as it cuts our object like so. So it cuts across the object to about halfway. It is offset, it is bent at 90 degrees, and then it is offset a second time until it cuts through the entire piece. So after the cut is made, it's going to expose just this material here. So the material that's in front of the offset section, it'll just be discarded. So when we project down our front elevation, we can see all the features apart from the internal features. So we can't see the holes for the bolts, or we can't see the hole that houses the actual flag stick itself. And just for this instance, we're not going to have our hidden details shown. We're going to project them further down. So if we were to look at just the inside circle here, for example, for the flag stick itself, when we bring down them lines, we can see that they're going to be hidden like so. So them two blue lines are going to be hidden there. But in our section view, we can see that that surface now is actually exposed as the cut has gone through that. So that's going to be exposed there. The hole itself isn't going to be hatched or anything like that, but also this side of the piece is also going to be hatched. And it also to remember, the cutting plane isn't going to be visible in our section view. So the cutting plane would be present along here, however in our section view it's not going to be present. We can also see clearly the two holes for the bolts. They're also now exposed.